Welcome to 34 Ward Street. The eclectic nature of this home, coupled with the practical location, makes this property so amazing. Let's check it out.
Certainly one of my favourite features of this home is the way that the indoor and outdoor are very difficult to tell apart. As a matter of fact, one would say the relationship is seamless.
Another one of the fantastic features that this home has to offer is this massive deck. It's got plenty of space for entertaining and a spa to enjoy. One of the beautiful things about owning your own home is enjoying your own space, and this extra living area allows you to do just that.
"34 Ward Street is nicely nestled on the range, across the road from the Mater Hospital, up the hill from St. Peter's Primary School, and it is an incredible home ready for you to enjoy. If our team can help you own it, give us a call. We'd love to help you out.